Hi guys, today it's Allison and today I'm just going to be making an original slime. So I already have the glue out because there wasn't very much left. So we're going to go ahead and put that aside. I don't think there's any left in this one. So we're going to go ahead and put that one aside. You'll need baking soda, a color, or in contact solution for this just original slime. Okay, I'll go ahead and add some color in. This one's crimson. Oh no. Ooh, oh no, I can't get it. Oh! Okay. I like that. Ooh, I like that color. Okay. Now we're gonna activate it. Uh-oh. Okay. Ooh, I like that color. It's not activating. That's not good. Might need to add some baking soda in. Ooh, I think that's enough. Maybe. I'm just making an original slime. In the original slime, there's no shaving cream, so I'm not going to be adding that in. Okay, it's starting to activate, but we still need more. It's still sticky. I think that will probably be enough. I like this. Woo! Okay, so now we're gonna come around and stir it all up. Come over here. Ooh. Oh, it's too sticky to even click it. That's not good. There we go. Oh, yay. Let's make a bubble. Almost done. Okay. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and hit subscribe down below. Bye.